I'm ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. What's up, guys?
Yeah, you gotta start over, man.
No. Okay. What's up, guys?
We're back.
Okay, I'm ready. What's up, guys?
So we're
What's up, guys? We're back with another wig review. Why we thought it was a wig package? This is some break package this time. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. I think it's. Oh! Remember that braided wig that Shalana was wearing that you was wearing? Look, someone sent you an Uma wig. All my OGs know when Shalana's wearing a blue braided wig, this is what she looked like. All my OGs. I love watching your videos. So very special. Thank you for allowing us into your life. From Kimberly.
beautiful.
Do you like it? What's my name? Say it louder. What's my name? What's my name? Feel the power. No one's gonna stop us. So the world will be ours. What's my name? What's my name? What's it? What's it? Shalana.